Most of you are in conflict because you don't know the actual meaning. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದ್ವಂದ್ವ. Why are you in Dundwa? Why are you in conflict? Is because you don't know the actual meaning. So when there is conflict in your brain, why? Because you don't know the meaning. There is a problem. Not you. I mean, generally everybody. I am looking at you, Ashta. So that is what you have to do. You have to understand what you mean is what you speak, and what you speak is what you should mean. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನನಗೂ ಸುಮಾರು ಹಿಂದಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಹಿಂದಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್. For every word there is a meaning attached to it. So unless and until you should know the meaning, otherwise you cannot convey, because the meaning conveys with your understanding the meaning and making others to understand the meaning, because it is what we call it as the vibration. Many Hindi people speak Kannada. Many Hindi people in a movie can speak Kannada, in English can speak so and so, la 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 la, blue blue and all that. Do they know how to convey the meaning? Because vibrations has to come out. As I told you in the morning, it has to come from here. You may convey it wonderfully well, but God understands you. But also God sometimes doesn't understand you. Why? Because the bhava is not there. Okay? If I speak in Hindi to God, I have to speak Hindi with that correct intonation of bhava. The intonation should be with reverence and respect. Otherwise, no reverence, no respect means no conveying the meaning. It is like making the original movie and you are dubbing the movie. The bhava is not conveyed. Okay? Good. Heli, innadre. Saka?
So I understood that harmony, balance, like if you pick up one good quality, all the others will automatically rise up and get balanced in all other ways. So if we cultivate even one quality out of the many qualities that Guruji has told us, I'm sure we will all be able to come to that state of samadhana. Om Jai Mata, Om Jai Gurudev.
Jai Mata. Very good. What is the next point? 21.
Follow dharma as your embodiment.
Ashtena? Now you please tell me. Dharma andre eno?
Dharma in this context means the state of mind.
No. Dharma means what? Any context bedadike. What have you understood dharma? Not to your context. There are so many types of dharma.
According to the meaning.
One nimsha. What does the spiritual tradition say about dharma? ನೀವು ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಭಾಷೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಧರ್ಮ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರೈಜಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಧರ್ಮ? ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಧರ್ಮ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಧರ್ಮ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಧರ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಧರ್ಮ ಹೂ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಧರ್ಮ. ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Righteousness in English protects those who have upheld it. ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಧರ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಧರ್ಮ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಧರ್ಮ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಧರ್ಮ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ is dharma? Question mark. So in India, when you drive left, that is right. When you drive left is right, that is dharma? Question mark. When you drive right, is it right? Is it dharma? These are the questions. Post. When you go left, it is right. When you keep on going right, is it right or are you left off? Is that right? Come out with some solutions. That is dharma. ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. You are going right or are you going left? Is it right or wrong? Social responsibility is all clubbed under social responsibility. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ is it social responsibility or is it inappropriate social responsibility? Correct? If I just sit next to you, okay, ಭುಜ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, you tell me, is it social responsibility or I am telling out of responsibility? Don't argue. Think over it. This is what you should contemplate Monday and Tuesday. Only in your own intuition you will get the right answer. Aita? This is that intuitional practice. To practice intuition, you will understand morally, categorically, that you are right or wrong, whether you are right or wrong. Invariably, you sit next to a passenger who is traveling along with you, and both of you are touching shoulders. Is it right or wrong? Dharmically, is it right or wrong? Social distancing or not? If the conductor says, you both sit, there's an empty seat, sit next to him. So, is it social distancing or not? Or is it appropriate or not? At that point of time, if everybody says it is right, if people say you have to maintain social distancing, that means it is called as dharma. In a crowded bus you are going, people are hanging from the footboards. You just enter, the bus starts traveling, there is no seat available, and there is already your staying almost shoulder to shoulder, you are standing. Then there is a passenger, both of you are traveling, and both of you start talking next 1 minute or 2 minutes. ಏನು ರಶಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆತನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ according to the general terminology, social distancing, is it right or wrong? Question mark. So social distancing, one step ahead. Social distancing, is it dharma or adharma? That answer you will get only by intuition. Because intuition also, your dharma and your land dharma gives you that kind of a knowledge, and that knowledge gets embedded as a chip in the brain, telling you, no, 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 nowadays it is not allowed. And that dharma is incorporated inside your brain. That is dharma. You go to Tirupati, I have seen people telling me, people say, no rush ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಗುರುಜಿ ಈಗ ರಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ತಿರುಪತಿಗೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಯು. So, what answer shall I give him? Shall I go and visit Tirupati to see Venkatramana? And by seeing Tirupati, am I maintaining social distancing? ಮುಂಚಿನ ನೂಕು ನುಗ್ಲು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ. ನಮಗಿಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು 2-2.5 ಅಡಿ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರಿಗಿದೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗದೇ ಇರ್ತೀರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ತಿರುಪತಿ ದರ್ಶನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ, ಸೊ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡೈಲಮಾ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಧರ್ಮಾನೋ ಅಧರ್ಮಾನೋ.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.